Hey, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's having a great day, night. Everybody's on the holiday tip. Hopefully everybody has a Merry Christmas coming up. Ho, 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 and all that good stuff. So today I'm going to do a little overview of this new TV I got recently. Samsung 43-inch, 7 series, LED, smart TV, 4K with HDR. So as I said, this is 43 inch, but 43 all the way to 75 inch. It's going to be the same thing with these specs. It'll be available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. You guys can purchase it any size you want. So I'm going to start with some more of the sizes. As I said, it's 43 inches, guys, going diagonal. But the actual width, you see how it fits in my cubby hole? Pretty nice. So you probably want to know, well, how wide is it actually? So I measured it for you guys. So from here, going all the way across to here, that's 38 inches across, just so you know. And you guys have stands. The old style was there used to be a stand right in the middle, hold up the TV. So now we kind of got the pegs on two sides. Most TVs have that. Okay, so those are actually, so going from here to here, that's actually 3 inches and 1/8, just so you know. And you're going to want to know that because you're probably going to want to fit your cable box. This is Comcast Xfinity, by the way, a secondary box. And maybe you want to put your, what is this called? This is a DVD player. You guys remember these things? Maybe you want to fit your DVD player or VCR, I think they call them, or Betamax, if you guys remember that stuff. So you're going to want the clearance. A lot of these TVs, actually, it's even tighter. I've seen them for like 2 inches or 1 1/8. So again, this is a nice size, nice gap. You know, you fit your, what is it again? DVD player. That's right. You fit your DVD player in your cable box. So I like that little gap. And then the other thing is from stand to stand. So from here all the way across is 30 inches. Just so you know how much coverage you guys have in room. All right, so this TV actually has 3 HDMI inputs in the back, which is very convenient. You're going to want those. And you're thinking, well, HDMI, what do I use those for? So you're going to actually use those for your cable box. You're going to use those for your DVD player. You're probably going to use it for your Amazon Fire Stick. So you're going to need at least 3 slots. The cheaper TVs don't have 3. They might only have 2. This sells for about $300 now, guys, on Amazon. And again, the price goes up depending on how many inches wide you want it. This also has 2 USB inputs in the back, which is pretty cool. We put in flash drives, and then you can actually watch your videos and clips and stuff in the flash drive you got. What else? It's got 2 10-watt speakers. Speakers nowadays, in case you guys didn't know, they're at the bottom. So we got the speakers in the bottom. There's 2 10 watts, which is decent sound. It gets loud. It sounds good. Doesn't sound incredible. Not surround sound. Not like a boom box, but it's good enough for what I want. It's definitely fine. And it's also slim. Slim and black, which I like, just to show you guys the rail. You know, the railing is very slim, as you can see, going all the way across. I like that. So it doesn't take up that much room. Maybe we can show you guys the back. A little peekaboo. You guys see that? Actually, I can show you the ports a little bit from here. So you can see I got the HDMIs plugged in there, right? You got the Amazon Fire Stick. You got some more jacks over here, color-coded. Just to show you, and we'll go across. You guys can see, again, this is slim, sleek. There's where the power cord plugs in right there. So it looks nice and clean. They are all in the back or the side. You guys can see they're on the side angle. But yeah, so once you get everything plugged in, you're good to go with that. So now I'll show you guys the settings and stuff. So let me show you guys actually the remote real quick. The remote on the right is my Comcast Xfinity, and the one on the left is the Samsung that it comes with. You guys can just get a little look for it. And it works well. It's decent with the buttons and everything. It feels well. My other remote is voice activated, so I do use and like that better. But as you can see, you got Netflix, Hulu, the quick buttons. Volumes are very, big, and the channel very big. Mute in the middle, that works good. And you can see the volume, they show it to the left on the screen. That works pretty good. I like that, nice and big, pops out on the left. We're loaded a little bit. I think they're talking about the Packers game. We got Brett Favre tonight, guys, taking on Dante Culpepper of the Vikings, I believe. Good classic matchup before the holidays. So let's go in settings, guys, and I'll just use the Samsung remote, but I'm going to show you on the TV so you guys can see. And this is ESPN, by the way, an HD channel, so you guys can check out the quality as I'm talking about all this. But we go in settings, go a little closer. You can see right now it's on standard, right? So let's see, we go to the right, and we can change that. It's got 4 settings, just so you know. It's got dynamic, very bright. Go back down to standard, natural, and then movie, which is a little darker. So you can switch those around, get all silly with it. I'll just go through the settings you guys can see. So obviously you want it standard HD 16 by 9. So expert settings is where you can really do a lot with the picture quality, guys. So you got the brightness, contrast, and I have messed around with all these, and this will all make a big difference. Color, sharpness, digital clean view. You got the motion, contrast enhancer, color tone, warm 1, white balance, gamma rays. I'm seeing robots, all futuristic type stuff. So those will make a difference. You'll want to adjust those accordingly. Just go through, sound. You can use your TV speaker, or if you have something hooked up to it. General, the general settings, as you can see. Support means you can, talk to a cloud, it says, it looks like, with a question mark. All right, so let's go out of that. The settings are pretty cool. You can play with them and adjust them. And see now we actually got the apps. This is a smart TV, guys. So if we want to go through the apps, let's see. Let's go over here, and you can see some of the apps here. Like Disney, PBS, ESPN. Honestly, I don't really use these that much. I usually just call it in with my voice remote, but you can scroll through them all, and pick what you want. So let me show you how it looks to actually go in one of these. Let's exit out. I'm going to go back to the voice remote. So YouTube, and you guys can see how quick YouTube opens up. So there we go, pretty quick. It is easier than a Fire Stick, guys, now because it's all quicker speeds, new TV. And then you can just scroll through everything. If you want to watch a video on blood on hands, I guess people that have blood on their hands. Eddie Murphy confirms rumors and stories that he has 10 kids. I think he admitted he had 10 kids. UFC, a decade in review. John Jones, good clean fighter. And yeah, pretty good. George Michael's Last Christmas. George Michael's, that's when he wants to go outside, get some good energy, get some sun ray. But anyway, yeah, so you get in that very quick. Let's show you some picture quality, guys. We're watching ESPN. So let's go on an HBO channel that's in HD. You guys can check the quality out like that. This is a newer TV series. I don't know. It's about a polar bear, it looks like, and this guy who drinks coffee a lot. But you can see the quality a little bit. I don't know if that's a real polar bear, guys. Looks like it's CGI, or maybe it's one of the ones from the zoo or something. I don't know. Wow, the little girl's got some courage. She's climbing it. But yeah, you can see the quality. Going a little closer, maybe. We'll go out a little bit. Let's check out the quality there. Okay, guys, just showing you some more quality. By the way, the flash is off on the camera now. I don't know if that makes a difference. This is one of those Harry Potter movies. Heard they made a few of them. Another HD channel, the Sci-Fi channel. But I'm going to open up another app for you guys, show you Netflix, because I'm sure you're going to want to use Netflix with a smart TV. Netflix. And that's the voice again. Opening up Netflix. Opens up pretty quick, as you guys can see. I'll just scroll through. Actually, I was starting to watch that TV series, The Witcher. It's about witches, and I believe there are witches out there in the world, guys. So this is definitely a true HD TV series, great quality. I'm showing you this through a camera video, guys, so it's hard to really show you the quality, but you guys can check out a true HD. And this was obviously filmed newer, so the quality should be better. All these TV series are probably 2K, 4K. Looks like that guy got hit in the head with a bowling ball or something. Not that guy, the other guy. That guy's an elf or something. He's got funny ears. But But you guys also got to understand, you got your cable boxes. You have to have a cable box that's going to be 4K. If you have Netflix, you got to pay a certain amount of money to get the 4K, movies. If you have Amazon Fire, not all movies are 4K, only some. So keep that in mind. I mean, a lot of stuff you're probably still going to be watching 1080p unless you have all the, the bells and whistles and you pay more money for the special boxes and special Netflix. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Yeah, the quality, I do like the quality with this TV, guys. Last TV was probably like 4 years old, so it's a nice upgrade. $300 on Amazon, can't beat the price. I'll put links in the description, guys, where you can purchase this, 43 inch, or like I said, they got the 50 inch, 75 inch, whatever you're looking for, whatever fits in your room. So any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And take it easy. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all that good stuff. See you later, alligators.